Let's make Fasirt. Some call it the Hungarian meatloaf, some call it the Hungarian meatball, but the taste will still be the same. It can be made with ground chicken. Also, if you have a different taste than I, you can make it with ground turkey or ground pork. Do not attempt this with ground beef. As usual, use actual yellow onion, this time only a quarter of it, not sweet yellow. Peel and fine dice the quarter onion. Put this to the meat in a mixing bowl. Add the sweet paprika, just a little bit, black pepper, once again, just a little bit. You can always add a little bit more upon serving. Garlic is optional, and some people prefer to do it the diced kind, not the powdered kind. And of course, add 1 egg. Start working together the mixture. And add a little bit of breadcrumbs for cooking. Although the mixture can be finished even without the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs will help fold it together a little bit better at the end. At this point, start creating the loaves with your hand. It will be to your benefit later if you make them a bit flat. Once done, use a large sized frying pan. Pour a thin layer of oil in it and turn on the heat. You can check whether the oil is hot enough with a little bit of breadcrumbs. This oil is definitely not yet ready. Once you think the oil is hot enough, use some tongs to start frying the loaves and turn the heat down to medium. Check the clock, as you will need to turn these over a couple of times about every other minute. Notice how the flat shape helps with the turnovers. If you're not sure whether the meatloaf is ready, you can literally just take a sample and take a look inside. So I see quite a bit of pink on this one, so it is still not ready. Once you're satisfied with the brownness of your loaves, you can turn off the heat and start picking them out. At this point, you can have dry your loaves from all the oil with a little bit of paper toweling. So be very careful not to burn yourself. This recipe is best served with a side of either mashed potatoes or boiled potatoes. And unlike most of the recipes you see on this channel, it can be microwaved for reheating, although the meatloaves can also be consumed the morning after on a sandwich as well. Jó étvágyat!